Hey everyone, Daniel here with Hicks Brunson Eyewear, and today we've got a really unique vintage frame, truly early American industrial design, and we've brought it back to life with some seriously advanced lenses. Don't go anywhere. Hello and welcome to the Hicks Brunson Eyewear YouTube channel. I am your friendly neighborhood optician, Daniel Brunson, and on this channel, I love to talk about some of my favorite indie eyewear brands and cool things you can do with your custom lens technologies. So if you want to see more content like that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. All right, now let's get into it. I've got something truly special to share with you today. We're talking about vintage, true vintage eyewear from the 1930s. Now, what are we talking about today? We're talking about this right here. I was fortunate enough to have one of my very good clients who came all the way from Texas to see us here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, decide that he wanted to expand his eyewear wardrobe a little bit. So while he was here looking at some of our new eyewear collections and adding to his collection, he also pulled out this little gem that he picked up and he wanted to put his prescription in the lens. Now, this is a truly remarkable piece. This is a vintage frame, as mentioned, from the 1930s. Right here on the inside of the bridge, you have to look very closely to see, but it's inscribed B&L Full View right here. The B&L on the bridge indicates that this frame was manufactured by Bausch Lomb, one of the most important names in American eyewear history, and the same company that would later go on to create Ray-Ban. So what this means is, we're looking at a roughly late 20s to mid 30s era frame. Their full view design was all about improving peripheral vision by mounting the temples higher on the frame. Although with these super sexy utilitarian mesh side shields, peripheral vision isn't exactly the priority here. With the mesh side shields and cable temples, these were likely used as early industrial safety glasses, built for factory work, machining, or lab environments where eye protection really mattered. Let's talk for just a minute about how cool this design actually is. I'm going to take my glasses off for just a second. So the first thing you notice about this, of course, is these really cool mesh side shields. Now, this frame was quite dirty when it was first brought to me because who knows how long it had been sitting in a drawer collecting dirt and dust and debris, and probably used for years before that and for industrial work. So it was really dirty, so I had to spend a lot of time cleaning it up here. But you have some really interesting components. These mesh side shields, these are the real deal. They're metal. They're designed to fold in like this. And when I first looked at this design, I wasn't sure why these hinges were pointed in the wrong direction. You know, normally the hinge would kind of flange back this way, and then the temples would be able to fold flat. And I thought, like, how interesting. It looks like, it literally looks like the hinges are backwards. And then Derek, when he was edging the lenses for this frame and he was having to put it back together after I had taken it apart and cleaned it, the light bulb went off. It dawned on him, and he shared this with me later. The hinges are facing forwards instead of backwards so that those cable temples will fold flat like this, because if it was designed to fold back the traditional way behind the frame front, these side shields would stop them from folding as flat, and they'd be kind of sticking up at an awkward angle. You wouldn't be able to fit it in as flat of a case. So by creating the hinge that flanged towards the front, look how flat this thing folds up, so you'd be able to fit it in a much more compact case. So truly innovative design. 1930s were thinking of every little detail like that, not only to craft a frame that was functional and protective, but it would be useful and easy to pocket in your case and take to work with you and take home with you when you're done. So I love those design details. Now let's take a look at what these look like on. We open it back up here. Cable temples are a little more to put on. You have to wrap them around the back of your ear. But the thing about cable temples like these, they're designed to hold it and very secure to the front of your face. So you see the side shield completely covers and touches the skin all the way around. So it's going to truly protect, keep debris out of your eyes, protect your eyes while you're working in the machine shop or in the factory, and you've got, you know, small bits of things flying around. Very protective design and very useful design, and just so cool looking by today's standards. I think the style of this look is actually just awesome, and that kind of drives the whole steampunk look and all of the looks around that category. So we've got this 1930s industrial frame. Now let's talk about what happens when you pair it with 2020's lens technology. So what did we do with these lenses? Well, we used the Autograph Intelligence progressive lenses, one of the most advanced progressive designs available right now. Autograph Intelligence adapts to how you actually use your eyes in real life. Smoother transitions between distance, intermediate, and near, has less distortion, more natural movement, especially important in smaller vintage frame like this. All right, now let's talk about what did we do with the custom lens tint. Well, we did a navy to Seaglass gradient, and we did the navy at about 35 to Seaglass at about 20%, and you have this nice subtle blue tone which will make it easier on the eyes indoors, and it complements, we thought these colors would complement the silver of the frame here particularly well. So it'll add contrast and comfort, and it keeps a subtle stylish look that really does fit the vintage aesthetic. All right, now let's talk about outdoor performance. When these are worn outdoors, they shift with Transitions Gen S Sapphire. So we'll just take a look at the Gen S Sapphire right now. If you followed the channel long enough, you know I've talked a lot about Transitions and other photochromic lenses. The Sapphire color running on Transitions Gen S I thought would be very complementary to this frame. And the Gen S technology, it's fast activation. There you see that nice sapphire blue. Look how good it looks in the silver frame. This Gen S technology though, I mean, it's a seamless transition. It's very quick to darken and to lighten. And why I love this, like why does this work? You know, you've got a 90-year-old vintage frame paired with cutting-edge lens tech that makes it completely wearable today. It's that blend of heritage and innovation that I really love. Let's take a look at it on. All right, and looking through Sapphire, I mean, let's just take a look. Let's take a look at it on. Let's take a look looking through it. You know, the Sapphire blue, it's one of those really nice blue tones. It's just a subtle bit of blue, so the darker it is, kind of has more of a gray blue effect, but definitely very noticeably blue. Like you'll notice the sky is rendered bluer when you look through a Sapphire lens, and it makes everything look really sharp, and it controls light, bright light and glare, and your eyes will be comfortable outside, but you get this nice cool blue tone across the landscape. So it's both protective and just really a pleasure to look through as you see what it looks like, and as you see how nice it looks in the silver. I really love this combination of color and frame and design and technology. It all came together really, really well. And that's what we do here at Hicks Brunson. We bring vintage eyewear back to life with modern performance. If you've got an old frame like this, don't let it sit in a drawer. There's a lot we can do with it. Drop me a comment. Reach out to us. I'll make all of our contact information available down below. Let me know what you think of this look. Would you like to do something like this? Maybe you'd like to do something like this lens color, but not necessarily in a vintage frame like this, maybe in something with a little more of a modern fit. We've got all the options available here at Hicks Brunson Eyewear. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you in the next video.